Well guys, I just did it. I pulled the trigger, isn't that you call it in English? And bought myself a Mavic Pro. You see, I found this excellent offer at elkjøp.no in Norway at 5,995, which equals 617 UK pound, sorry, euros, 670 euros, 550 pounds or around 750 US dollars, which I think is an extremely good deal, because if we look at the other prices, here you get 2 batteries as well and a bag, but you see the price is the double. So I guess this is a very good deal. As you might know, I already have the DJI Spark, but this time I went for this one. Let's unbox it and see what's inside, shall we? Okay, let's see if we can manage to open this. Okay. Oh la la, look at that. That is fantastic. Oh my god, it's heavy. Some stickers, more stickers. The old style propellers. Yeah. Some rubber protection and clear plastic protection. Yes. Quick show off, or whatever you should call it. And here we have it. What an amazing drone. Fantastic. Okay. Let's continue the unboxing. Remote controller. Okay. This has more controls compared to the Spark. Even some kind of I don't know what this is. Oh, it's an OTG cable included. And the other one is here, of course, yes. But this is for the iPhone. Let's hope there is one for the Android system as well. Okay, plastic protection. Plastic protection. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We have a big charger, some books, yeah, that's not really so exciting. Let's see what's inside here, shall we? Okay, no more inside here, no. Okay, I guess this has been the wrapping around this one. It's supposed to be like this. Yes, standard USB cable. Ah, here we have the OTG for the Android. And here there are some more cables for Android, it looks like, yes. Power cord for the charger. And the always standard silica gel moist absorbent. That's about it. Okay, let's see. How do you do this? Okay, here we have the battery. Very big and heavy compared to the much smaller Spark. Yeah. It's really not so much more to talk about. So there you have it, guys. My brand new Mavic, which is really old news for most of you maybe. But for me, it's new and exciting. I'm really looking forward to it. Longer flight time, 27, 28 minutes, compared to the Spark, which is around 12 at the most, if you're lucky. So, and the range should be 4 kilometers compared to the Spark, originally 300 meters. If you do the FCC mode, you get 2 kilometers at least. So, yes, that's all for me. See you. Bye.